Hi friends! Thanks for tuning into our Little Robot Friends channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a Doodle Bot. First, let's take a look at what's inside our kit. One eraser, one brush, one battery pack, one DC motor, two AA batteries, and Velcro. You'll also need tape, scissors, and 2 or 3 markers. How do motors work? This is a DC motor. DC stands for direct current. This type of motor converts electricity from our battery pack into motion that spins round and round. Step 1. First you'll need your Velcro. The Velcro has one side called the hook and another side called the loop. How can you tell which is which? The side that's more prickly is the hook, and this side that's soft and fuzzy is the loop. Cut one piece of hook that's 4.5 centimeters. Cut a piece of loop that matches the same size. You'll need to cut another piece of hook that's 3 centimeters and another piece of loop that matches the same size. Step 2. Find the loop that's the same length as your brush. Stick it onto the top of your brush. Step 3. Now you'll need your battery pack. You'll see that your battery pack and motor are already soldered together for you. Slide the battery pack open and place the 2 AA batteries inside, then close it. Step 4. Place the hook onto your battery pack. You want to stick it on the side that has no switch, close to where the wires are sticking out, just like this. Step 5. Flip your battery pack over. On the other side, you should see an on and off switch. You do not want to place any Velcro over your switch, otherwise you can't turn the motor on and off. Place another piece of loop to the battery pack here. Step 6. Get your DC motor. Stick another piece of Velcro hook onto the motor. Step 7. It's time to assemble your bot. Stick the motor onto the battery pack, and then stick the battery pack onto the top of your brush. It should look something like this. So what happens if you turn on the switch of your bot right now? Does it move? Not really. You'll need to add a counterweight to the motor shaft in order to help the Doodle Bot vibrate and move across the floor. Step 8. Cut a bit of your eraser off just like this. Stick it onto the motor shaft of your Doodle Bot. Make sure it's slightly offset. Step 9. Now it's time to attach the markers. Get your remaining Velcro strips. Cut a piece of hook and loop so that it could stick to the side of your battery pack. Do this for the opposite side of the brush as well. Grab your markers and stick them onto the Velcro. Now your markers are attached. If you want a little extra security, you can also use some regular tape to tape the markers down. Step 10. Now it's time to test out your Doodle Bot. Lay out a large white piece of paper onto the floor, switch your Doodle Bot on, and watch it draw. Great job! Don't forget to share your creations with us by tagging Little Robot Friends on social.